tell us, but I have a feeling they're going to tell us very soon. I know that you rap a little bit, so,
Who's dropping the beat?
I'm gonna drop the beat.
Oh boy.
And you can go. You can flow
boy.
first, and then I'll go second.
Okay.
But this is what we do at Inside Track.
We'll do them quick little lines.
Okay.
Like 2 lines. Yeah. Alright. It's Mr. Moose on the track with Cody Lindley. Alright, here we go. D to the I, S and E-Y. I'm down with Disney 'cause I'm a Disney guy. You probably know me as Oliver Oaken, but after this rap, you'll know me as leaving the mic smoking. Check it out, I gotta stop flowing. Gotta let Cody rip it up 'cause he knows what up. Cody, take the track 'cause my beats lame and my raps are whack.
Okay. So listen up, you know, we at the Disney Channel game. I'm gonna do the same thing every day. Oh yeah, I'm doing the interview. I'm telling everybody, especially you too. Listen, we gonna be with Mitchell Musso, and you know you love it. You say, oh, it's so good. Oh, I like it. I love it. Oh, we're just.
Oh my goodness. We're out.
Hey, that's all the time we have at Inside Track. I'm Cody Lindley.
I'm Mitchell Musso.
Thanks for checking in with us. See you soon.